It's October 27th, 2025, and this Argentina energy stock just popped off. This is an ADR called PAM. Pampa Energia is the company name. And the reason why I'm highlighting it is because it has all the ingredients of a successful stock, and I should have taken the trade. It popped up on my scanner on Thursday. Today's Monday. It popped up on my scanner on Thursday, and I have a screenshot to prove it. This reversal scan, I was checking on my phone. I did research on each of these stocks, and PAM seemed like the most likely candidate to have a reversal. There's a reversal scanner. So it's something with high relative volume, which there are many instances in the 1 hour chart and a couple in the 4 hour chart where it matched that criteria. And it's thematic. I mean, it's an Argentina stock. We know Argentina just got a multi-billion-dollar bailout from Trump. Um, it's energy focused, which we know energy is still pretty hot, especially nuclear. I mean, that's you keep buying the dips on those anytime the RSI goes to 30, and you're going to come out ahead almost every time, depending on the stock, of course. I mean, I wouldn't recommend every stock, but um, so this popped up on my scanner, but I didn't know anything about it yet. So I dug into it. I asked ChatGPT. This is on Thursday. I don't care if you believe me, but I learned, yeah, energy, perfect. Argentina, perfect. It has all the ingredients for a successful buy. And it popped up on reversal scanner. I confirmed that we're in a breakout. We just broke out of this steeper downtrend line. There's clear accumulation right here, and there is some smaller accumulation right here. And you can see this indicator right here showing relative volume. I mean, come on, 13 times more volume in this rectangle, more volume in this rectangle. And, the news about the bailout came at this era right here. So that news in itself wasn't enough to break it out of the larger downtrend because they wanted the election results. Now, I think regardless of who won the election, and that was the catalyst. I actually didn't know the catalyst why it popped off today, but I asked ChatGPT, dug in a little bit, and yeah, yesterday the Argentina midterm legislative election finished, and Javier, the person who's been negotiating with Trump, was the winner, and so the push is now for far right, economic reform. Essentially, is the big news, and so PAM is going to get some benefit now for sure. So what I didn't know, and I think the reason why I didn't go in the stock is I didn't know about this catalyst coming up. Um, but when I now review the trade, it has clear accumulation. Popped up on my reversal scanner somewhere here, right where I circled. It had theme. It had news that was thematic. Argentina bailout, uh, um, energy, and so it had clear accumulation. I mean, why did I go in this stock? Um, it had all of the ingredients for a successful trade, but I didn't take it, and that's why I'm posting this video. So next time I see a stock like this that has all of the check boxes covered, high relative volume, theme, clear accumulation recently, then I'm definitely going to go in on it. I think maybe in this case I chickened out, maybe because it's an ADR. But the story is even juicier if you look at the actual stock on the Argentina exchange. I mean, you see lots more relative volume spikes. Even a couple nights um, before the election results, the midterm election results, you see these two nice juicy spikes in volume, and you see, it's not necessarily spiking up, but it's elevated relative volume. So that's another learning for me is anytime there's an ADR that pops up on the scanner, I will take a gander at the actual stock too. So that'll give me more confidence to jump in the trade. So what will be the next thing to pop off? I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not going to trade this until this cools off. But I'll be keeping my eye out for all the Argentina stocks I can find. And yeah, I think there's some good money to be had.